In recent breaking news, it turns out that men do care about their skincare. The story you're about to hear is true. In all seriousness, earlier today I was at a coffee shop with a girlfriend, and a stranger asked if he could ask me questions about skincare because he overheard me talking about being an esthetician. So this prompted me to ask this question in my story. This was the exact question he was asking, as well as what products to use and why. No matter who you are, this is the order of skincare products for everybody, morning and night. Well, there's some flexibility in there. But honestly, for men, the most important thing is that they're washing their faces, especially at night after a hard day at work, and also that they're wearing SPF. And don't forget about the top of your head as well, gentlemen. Oh, and your ears. I've seen a lot of skin cancer on the ears. So really, could you use retinols and hyaluronic acid and vitamin C and all the things? Sure. Do you need to? Not really. The most important thing all people can do for their skin is to make sure that they are hydrating it every day and always, always, always wearing SPF and reapplying. If you do that, you are bound to have good skin. But a little vitamin C never hurt nobody. Follow me for more skin tips and check the caption for all the details on men's skincare.